How do you tame an alpha raptor in Ark Survival Evolved?
Welcome to another exciting Ark Survival Evolved tutorial. Today, we're tackling a topic that many survivors have asked about: taming an alpha raptor. However, it's important to clarify right from the start that alpha creatures, including alpha raptors, can't be tamed in Ark Survival Evolved as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. They are meant to provide a greater challenge and drop better loot, but they are not designed to become your pets.
Why can I tame an alpha raptor?
In Ark Survival Evolved, alpha creatures represent the top of the food chain. They are stronger, tougher, and much more dangerous than their ordinary counterparts. Alpha raptors, in particular, are a force to be reckoned with. Developers decided that taming such powerful creatures would disrupt the balance of the game. Thus, as much as we'd love to have an alpha raptor by our side, it's not an option.
How do I deal with an alpha raptor then?
Since taming isn't an option, the next best thing is knowing how to handle these powerful creatures. The first step is to identify them. Alpha raptors have a distinct, brighter, glowing red aura around them. Once you have identified an alpha raptor, your options are either to avoid it or kill it. If you choose to engage, you should be well prepared. A good mount, such as a high-level Rex or a strong ranged weapon, can make the battle easier. If you succeed, alpha raptors drop valuable loot, including high-level items and a lot of experience for your character and your tamed animals nearby.
Can I have a powerful raptor?
Even though you can't tame an alpha raptor, you can still have a powerful raptor ally. The way to go about it is to find a high-level normal raptor, tame it, and level it up. You can increase its stats such as health, damage, and speed to make it more formidable. While it's a bit disappointing that you can't tame alpha raptors in Ark Survival Evolved, there's plenty of challenges and adventures waiting for you in the game. Remember, the strength of your character doesn't solely depend on the creatures you tame, but also on your knowledge, strategies, and survival skills. Hope this video has been helpful. Happy surviving!